It's another day. It's another three things. Today, we're going to talk about the three things every couple should pray together about. Abi ni mo sa adlaw-adlaw, tungod sa kabisi, sa trabaho, o uban pang mga buluhaton, usahay ang magtiayon na wad na gyud sa oras or higayon para sa pag-ampo sa mga importanteng mga butang. Labi na sa area of unity in the family, for the children, and all other concerns related to the family. Now, kuyugi ko, as we're going to take a look at into this topic today. Let's begin. Number one, pray for unity and understanding. In Philippians 2 verse 2, it says here, be of the same mind, maintaining the same love, united in spirit, intent in one purpose. Ang couple mo grow ni sila stronger kung sabay ni sila mo seek sa help sa Ginoo, especially in uniting their heart and their purpose. Now, praying for humility, patience, and clarity in communication builds harmony, and somehow this will prevent division within the family. My simple advice and practice, pray daily for open hearts and the ability to listen among each other with grace. Number two, pray for guidance and decisions. Now, in Proverbs 3, verses 5 to 6, it says here, trust in Yahweh with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. Now, life's big and small decisions should be taken seriously, especially in the areas of career, children, finances, ministry, anything, as long that it's related and affects the family. The best way possible is to seek God's direction. Now, invite Him in whatever choices you're going to make, not just to bring peace, but also to align our will to His will. Because at the end of the day, it is still God's plan that will prevail. In short, before making major decisions in life, set aside time to pray and seek God's wisdom together, as a couple. And lastly, number three, pray for each other's growth and protection. In 1 Thessalonians 5, verse 11, it says here, therefore, encourage one another and build up one another. Wala na may laing posible o strong kayo na mag-ampo together except for the magtiayon. Now, they should have their time of spirituality, emotional, and physical well-being nurtured within each other. The love and support has to flourish among themselves. It reminds the couple from time to time that they are not just partners, but they are there to be together for life. Not just companionship, but as an intercessors for one another. Take turns in lifting up each other's specific needs daily, even in short prayers. Abi nimo, talagsa na kayo mahitabo na adunay mga pag-ampo together among couples. Now, not because walay oras, but somehow wala siya nakaandan. Praying couple is a strong couple. Unity, guidance, and mutual growth are built not just by love, but by seeking God together in every seasons of life. Till next, bye!